Yo, chat piconi, nyora peloni, parloni, palawuri bujoni, balaso ata, yala bu money, mak lega chiru bambu koni. Mete kwa chalo gang, chawa wanya nene, marko medenga, loka nying danon chale lenko, ne payo wenche, mete rien, this time don kolo, loko kwa ejal pake kumu, aweka witina dugu vulu, ametla bet chalo kamdulu, yo man. Yeah, ingeo, muziki ya air wachan full, eh? Yeah, muziki ya air, science, ma joining secondary school, eh? Yeah, man, okay, gas.
Oh, Gulami.
Yeah, Gulami. I check music after the second lockdown, eh? Ngeo loka support ki ball nyure food jibun be period. Yeah, piano me go na loka school gini. So to be period to 12.
You need that cool la chola chola.
Yeah,
you nane.
Ngeo.
Go marfa la geti mo nga.
Yeah, me go aso. Ngeo pol kare jo mo go chalo luwe gini. Yeah, guitar ke cha jo marongo bale full chalo wegi mo yai full. Yeah, so angel mago wacha giara yene ngo. Kagiar pe bo bale kwa ma mega. People affecting Kwan Mega, to our mate, yeah. Challenges guy no Maduana sense my Donny industry and yeah, like promotion, Matia tape.
Ilo iwaning ato inspiring him pero use the lyrical.
Yeah man.
Kani kikadni Ronix intin wameta in battling one easy. Are you going to accept or you're going to respect him as your like, sorry to say this, as your godfather, or you're going to accept it? Let me challenge this guy. Alright, tajulu tutual in mima lupuwa Tamibe televisions and us Kilonian MG. Ajuli program mo barbani celebrity vibes kama wakelo celeb na migi ki burlobo mo part ikumalami Uganda at large. Tena tiki wile mamega and kono first time me beri channel mamegwa mita mebe TV na mete en ututnye ke kome en bera nga ke wabinywa ko lok mapol makwa music career mamega coast ingyo polkar ana kelo musicians but wabiberi ka gwenyo kiana apo matek to dal bro tinini
Arrested.
Ini mo nya wala ne won celeb kero ma dripping kere uchumu wiyo
Yeah, yende
bling no kero nyo dim mo marian rienye kan.
Yeah man.
Okay, tiet kon kila neno kon ngama yene bedo ngata tika neno in for the
Yo guys, this is your boy Ronix UG, eh? Yeah, remember to the vibe killer yeah kenyo ingero.
Okay, Ronix UG,
The vibe killer.
the vibe killer.
Yeah man.
You won't wear mar me the nying ma pol but anyway, we have to take it down.
Yeah.
I think Ronix UG channel mamegwa mete wa onyak ma pol makwa ko career mamega ki ngo manyen ma en tikere ki challenges mo ma en karo ki. So Ronix peme chwala ne mabo amete ka penyi ko mani e chako kelo nying mi Ronix UG ni.
Yeah, Ronix UG ingayo komnya kuma luone Ronald.
Oh.
Yeah, so Ronix ena kwanyo ke komngo kom Ronald.
Just mere mo KK.
Yeah.
Okay. That is inyo polkar kay merong ngiyo la way mabe. Inero make creativity nying ma yan kelo. Kay na la way ma ubero creative ukelo nye ke kom nying magang ke kom ngani that artist is so blessed. So Ronix UG ajuli da ko dojo me biene Tamibe TV.
Ana fa.
Man ini cha way ma kamene ke kom.
Yeah, ingeo. Muziki ya air wachan full, eh? Yeah, muziki ya air science ma joining secondary school, eh? Yeah, man, okay, gas.
Oh, Gulami.
Yeah, Gulami. I check muziki after the second lockdown, eh? Yeah, but Paberka taking it serious. Because new challenges, Berma doing like I think school football, so you want to bury your music pola mati muna holidays.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So makara madong inyang ni talent mamigiti lunyoro mamigi pego geni boyen ke makwan ko ngo gini oberpe madong realizing ni latian mo ini tiki talent all those stuff.
Yeah, ingeo da lo ga ingeo polkare jo mo go chalo luwe gini. Yeah, guitar ke cha jo marongo bale full chalo wegi mo yai full. Yeah, so angel mago wacha giara yene ngo kagiar pe bo bale kwa ma mega. People affecting Kwan Mega, to our mate, yeah. So we are a food get to ye like any bad and the gun will bear my bed.
Can be supporting in Italian like it mogono channel. Ibino again bot el kob kan chana na orem na go team mego chana studio rem ke kwanya ke chana ge support in that way or just mere ke tiro mi ne metam again
ngo lo ka support ke ball ñu re foot jimin be pe yot ya pian bo mego nan lo ka school gini so to be yot to twal
you need daru ku la chola cho ke du yu mi nane go mar fa la ke timo ngonga
yeah me go aso
wow that is so great Paul Kare inoni luwe ma Paul tutwale ka gite gan kwan we gichar wilu gichar gi kwan chen school fees gichar chulu project so you need also to take care of that Ronix
yo
piani wajo ni icharo we kare lockdown ini at least between that no at least pian ngarmo ka teaching no at least no ngarmo tema inspiring yan get me ko like career business being in music ngarmo tema inspiring and before you join the music industry
tie ngarmo inspiring an wa joining music ubero la wara mo la wara mo yo berga mi atam pian course ano arwe chana so mona donyo gare baseball cho gi ba go freestyle acapella gani so cho yan kira na ka ba talent ye yo me joining ginyo an mer kuma ene betilu we di mun no dan kan mono gara fail style ge full
ke kwan ge kong ya di
like easy the lyrical easy to kenge
that is ngaro inspiring and
music ba nyer na fail mati de kero chaane fura fail be
so lekke kineno ni inoni alizo mere betalo an ke mete kat an no bene one time at a point
ngeo ga dan ber ku leka kanoro ba konya na twar o stage mo ke nyo kero ma twar kat no o loperage an ba gara take gana atake gan cause an Paul Kara gano vibe ma mega te na na
Iberica wani itika wai gano vibe ma mega ngaro money te wa ku want to prove you first prove them wrong with your lyrics some a cappella for them
man this is your boy Ronix UG the vibe killer yene ngoro yo chat pe konyi nyoro pe lonyi parlo nya pala wuri bu jonyi bal so ata yala bu monyi mak lega churu bambu konyi mete ko cha lu gang cha wonya nene mar ko medenga lokka njing danon cha le len ko ne payo wenche mete rien this time don kolo loko ko e jal pake kumu a wa witina dugu fulu a metla bet cha lu kam dulu yo man
yen kera nano kere you have a bright future bro like that is a hip hop or trap. Which genre is that?
Drill.
Oh, drill.
Yeah.
So you're a hip hopper.
Music a cello dancehall. This time I hear drill. Money can you take a cooking?
Okay.
Yeah.
A cappella nego ni.
Yeah, man.
Iloro cooking something else. No, but I'm here okay. But let me also ask you. No, manyan my down miro expecting.
Yeah, this year. Expecting banger from your boy Ronix. But kilwar my can watch yellow here after here. Kira waja kay chan anti the vibe killer.
So how do you dance so hip hop reggae ngoge go
chela chawa paka.
Okay.
Yeah man.
We manyan na bokara
we manyan na bokara in the beach me do my bichel. So get ready for that.
Some few
drill full. Or take a cooking, take a bell. You're far away, So me da kum lu nyoro mugu magi berka lore kum aso ni ne kir in kir go aso la kwen pepe chiar ka moy kana. Ya ngok Paul Kara lu nyoro beru tie Jimmy Wayne me temu lu nyoro beru tie. So kero an belu nyoro no tie. Bar anka kir karo nyoro kuma. Pata cha kuma piara terra no yuma we are pian a pushing up,
Ya ke wayani
pushing chara nyim.
At least in everything you do there's some mero ngarmo bet ka lok maraj we are keeping in busy. Pian ka don kitiro bora bara you will never go anywhere. At least mer ngarmo beta ngo ka wacho gen maraj bene we are in an through mistake cause penige wacho gen maraj ene be at least at a point no gimobe tima you have to correct it.
Man.
And that is so amazing.
That's true.
When it's way lockdown 2022. Between that period up to now is now coming close to 5 years if I'm not lying. What challenges have you faced during that period of music career mamigene kidong i overcoming yen hining ka challenges
Yeah, challenges guy no ma duan ta sense ma done industry and yeah, like promotion ma TP. So like with promotion gini the war mo ga D wa ko kuja ga take konya like DJs ge yeah, promotion mo kan yeah.
So that is the main challenges that you ever faced in your entire career.
No.
Criticisms gini pere mo nga mo that Ronix no way in pre-releasing those kind of things. Pianangin at least when you are starting your career, there's a challenge is me tiana no better pere yana ngeni tie ma pepe voila ne.
Yeah, better tie gera. Better tie.
So challenges mo chalo criticism gini. How do you overcome them? Kangar mo be criticizing,
Any man just kang out to be on Timeco Mano, Aling Marilo, cause Angling or my Amero.
Okay.
Yeah, Ling Mano, by Law doing, yeah.
Wow.
Polkara Tiroling.
That is amazing. Iloro, iwaning out inspiring him, but use it lyrical.
Yeah,
Kani Kikadni, Ronix, Intin, Ometa in battling one easy. Are you going to accept or you're going to respect him as your like, sorry to say this, as your godfather, or you're going to accept it? Let me challenge this guy.
No, I can't do that.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Kadonki kill battle killer way more kind of Northern Uganda. Or would you expect ni kaki kill buri at least no around PM kere kendo way ma marketing training nowadays in Northern Uganda?
Ingeo kachara we loka challenging hormone yeah, putting hormone matwa putting hormone matwa challenging the war ngo 99% olo to no tie ko mongo mangar eni lo yeah, weakness no tie try better on the stage performance. Yeah, so chaka mo nga cha jwar stage performance to the higher level yeah, but chaka ne mo no we ne lyrics be gwa to twala yeah, chaka na to lyrics magwa food ba ke dwara stage performance eni no party mo mabe na timo magar.
So
wa kon yang rong dugu fu tek yeah,
but in ke trusting and not so ke pe gano yen we ke
agana ke kana.
Okay,
agana,
that is amazing. Furiti lupowa Itamebe TV amana bere os MG atikila we manyen remo maliat Ronix UG and kono tika water we manyen wine in the beach midwe ma bichel.
Yeah,
so bobero wako making sure
far away
share YouTube mamege subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, and don't forget also to subscribe in Tamibe TV, liking, comment and share in every social media handles, TikTok, Facebook, X and YouTube, and we are going to give you update. Kachi in main tika miyato niki go adverts mamegi bene YouTube channel mamego. Make sure ineno na maping and just contact we have no obet ki kar me konye me chato will mameging. So away from your music career and whatever, Ronix, I want you in chalo in artists. At a point you're going to also face these challenges. Bobedo away manok the questions. Yesterday one of the phenomenal and most famous artists right by now in Northern Uganda, Badman Jeliji Ocheri TV stations one of the national televisions man in NBS. So a lot of people go be criticizing and broken English, but to me I feel like also the guy tried his level best to do that. In Katalo in Kanemi Tam Kijo Moberika criticizing JLG, what are you going to give them, like the advice?
Okay, yeah, you know JLG gara to down material yet full no than Uganda can.
Yeah,
so
sure.
Get away the down go bit criticizing yeah, so tama 12 million I made any let's support low music poor car one nyako yeah, one lap so kala wori mo take a level money pera ka nyako to twale kuma or pushing and work bo chara nyim wa be chala we ngo jo mu kaneni yeah,
so they should stop that criticism.
Yeah, they should stop it.
Wow, that is amazing. In kono tamitini ngo in la nano miti kenyo cause dano ma pol gu bere kamio tamge bere ka lo but polo la mo kana ma gete wa ko kujani mo kana ma go it's be picking e wala mo
Yeah.
be get televisions ge lo although that is the televisions peri ra mo ti akalo ko leva chuli pian the also no pelo ko leva chuli but he tried also kete wa jodong project manyan betiga bino what is your last fund that your last word to your fans and dano forgive unene for the first time what do you encourage them to start following you as a new artist in the scene?
Yeah, but I'm fukichi na chalawa new kama the fukichi na for the first time anya kelone Ronix UG the vibe killer yeah Twitter chare following I TikTok nyo kierwe YouTube yeah so muziki manya nataka bino be ready nina bichele ko meduma beat no wateka chwalo na wako is a drill
Okay.
yeah but and polka la chelo dance
This time why made it chinyu nyero kon ke drill mo
awateka wa drill mo kon
wow
yeah
that is amazing yen may ber kanana wa ay dami be TV a ber os MG as always 10 guests ma mega bedo Ronix UG make sure you are supporting Lutiano Gang Lutiano Luo share subscribing to his YouTube channel you liking you commenting you sharing and don't forget to subscribe to Tamibe Televisions we're picking this amazing program about Celebrity Vibes and us MG peace and love.